Everyone is talking about fasting, but there's one question that keeps dividing people. Should you fast with water or without water? Once you stop eating, your body begins using stored sugar. Then it gradually switches to burning stored fat for energy. This natural process happens whether you drink water or not. Water fasting keeps you hydrated while your body burns stored fat. Dry fasting removes both food and water, increasing the risk of dehydration and putting extra stress on your kidneys. For most healthy adults, water fasting is generally the safer choice. Fasting may improve insulin sensitivity, encourage your body to use stored fat, and activate natural cellular cleanup processes. Research is still ongoing, and fasting isn't suitable for everyone. The biggest mistake? Breaking your fast with sugar, soda, or processed junk food. That can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish. Start with eggs. They're packed with complete protein that helps support your muscles and keeps you satisfied. Broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and compounds that support overall health. Avocados provide healthy fats, potassium, and fiber, making them an excellent food after fasting. Other great options include salmon, spinach, Greek yogurt, blueberries, almonds, walnuts, olive oil, and lean chicken. A balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and water helps your body recover and provides steady energy. Fasting isn't magic. What truly matters is what you eat after your fast. Nourish your body, and it will reward you. Which type of fasting have you tried? Water fasting or dry fasting? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more science-based nutrition and health tips.